Guys, I can see it. No, you. What?
Hey, you shut your mouth. But what also him? Yeah, remember what the hell is that thing?
Keep your mouth shut, Sally.
Yeah, we will place us or something. Shut up your mouth there, you.
Please. Oh no.
Every single day I gotta clean up the kitchen. Papa screaming every say it's for a ball of the dishes. And Julius remember, he's a monster I live with. That's the reason why I see the
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Prism the East guy. This video contained valid emergency alert tone. As the creators is not responsible for any of these tones, all the EAS marks are fake ones I make, are for entertainment purposes only also, please don't not idiot, by playing the tones in the air, because that will have mass panic and confusion. Prism the East guy does not own any music and sound effects and audios in each scenario. Anyways, go grab a packed ice cream and a Coca-Cola, and enjoy the each scenario.
I'm very tired of walking away in the balloon.
Not so fast. What is that? Wait, who are you? My name is Thomas Erom. And hello guys. Sure you can. Alright guys, hop on my car.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department, the city of Chicago, at approximately 3:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, reports many people looking at the moon as blood, the color the blood virus in Chicago, the blood moon virus, across the road, over 20 billion people death in the blood moon, evil dogs destroyed all building, demons, and zombies. All residents just need shelter and places immediately, evacuation immediate. Stay tuned for coming event.
Delicious fruit. I can sweep the Philippines fruit and no idea. Delicious rice. That's three I do in the rice.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. The National Weather Service has issued tornado warning for northwestern Raphael County and northwestern Mississippi Marshall County, northwestern Mississippi Marshall County, until 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, reports the zombies heading away the tornado, the young country bummers, trying to be a gunshot battle for the zombies and demons and tornado, until further notice. Explosion coming for Las Vegas. Do not go outside, you might get hurt. The young country bombers to fight all villains. 10 member the young country bombers EXE, and this time is Jar the Rage Monster, Josiah EXE, Lola EXE, Erlilona EXE, K2K12VAS Sonic EXE Lendibob, Lightning, McQueen EXE, Country Balls EXE, Nightmare Freddy. All residents do not panic in the Young Country Bombers EXE Ready Tornado Battle. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
Let's play.
No.
Nanny, I know what you should do something, just singing like piano, guitar, and keep your mouth shut. What the hell is that thing over here? Oh my god. I think the thunderstorm is coming.
message is transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department and the Chicago City. Lock and doors immediately. Reports, -9 the Young Country Bombers the EXE kill everyone in the doors. Also the EA's creators by the country guns and on their way to find what's happened also. The Young Country Twisters, this what's happened the episode. Oh my god, the episode has happened for the season 1, season 2, season 3. The Young Country Twister ready to fight EXE, Lightning McQueen EXE, Lola EXE, Adrian EXE, Nightmare Freddy, Nightmare Bunny, Nightmare Kika, Nightmare Foxy, Kleski CSUPO Nightmare, Kleski CSUPOG Major 89, Blind Kleski CSUPO, Blind Major Kleski CSUPO, also, 5 members of Kleski CSUPO friends name, Kleski CSUPOG Major 36, Kleski CSUPOG Major 6, Vidic V1 Kleski CSUPO, all residents need shelter in places immediately. Do not go outside, you might get kill you. Stay tuned this station more updated about information on this dangerous situation. Oh my god, what's the hell is? I need gets out of here.
The civil authorities has issued in law enforcement warning for the following cities of Charleston, South Carolina. Beginning at 9:45 m. Eastern Standard Time, will end at 9:45 m. Eastern Daylight Time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charleston Police Department. We conjunction for the Charleston and South Carolina at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, many people look the UFO the alien saw the alien. Addition, the UFO by emoji cat. All residents do not look at the UFO. If you do, the UFO got to kill you by laser. Stay tuned, this station's more update about information on situation.
Guys, was I killed Jimmy just before class 7? Not neither. I think this is the end of the world, but because I hate this sounds like I got another one. Not neither. Let's go find I killed classy 7 Jimmy to right, and I killed classy 7 Jimmy to 74. Let's go find them. Not neither. I killed Jimmy just one classy 7. I was sleeping about 2 days something how. Shut up your mouth.